So what would it be like to live in a low-maintenance townhome, brand new construction, close to all of the fantastic recreational amenities in the Redlands area of Grand Junction? This is our new listing at 365 West Ridges Boulevard, Unit 2, and we want to show you around today.
Yeah, I mean, you can't get any better. I mean, you're 5 minutes from town, you're a couple minutes from the world-class mountain biking, you have a world-class golf course just across the street. I mean, it doesn't get any better.
This home has 2,510 square feet on 3 levels with a fantastic primary suite perched on top with its own private deck.
You have a deep 2-car garage that flows very nicely into a well-appointed living area. As you go up to the 2nd floor, you are greeted with a beautiful kitchen, dining, and living room. You also have a dry bar, laundry room, 2 bedrooms. You have a full guest bath and a half bath. And then on the 3rd floor, you have a primary suite with a spa-like bath.
So this townhome project is built by John Bennett and Canyon Vista Homes.
We're going to be building a few more townhomes and also some really nice 1-level condos with elevator access and garages right next door here. So this whole project will be beautifully landscaped and have a small HOA. Call today to learn more about this fantastic project in the Redlands called Casas De Luz, or to schedule your exclusive tour.